Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a little mummy makeup tutorial. So I'm just going to put on my, day-to-day mummy makeup, which takes about 10 minutes. Straight into it, and I am using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray, which is this right here. I'm using the Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil, which is this one right here. And then I just lightly fill it out on the areas that I think need filling out. And then I take my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13. I'm just going to line my brow. I take another brush, a small one, and I just blend it into my skin. So after that, I take the same concealer and I am just going to pop it on the dark spots around my face. So I literally start off where I can see the most spots and I just do that. So these are all the dark marks that I can see on my face. A lot, right? Don't judge me. Okay, and then what I do is I just also conceal the areas that I would normally conceal, which is under my eyes and around my mouth. And then I take my beauty blender, which is damp, and I'm just going to dab all the places where I've put concealer. And then I take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and I literally use the smallest amount, guys. Like that's all we're using, and I just put it under my eyes and around my mouth. And then what I usually do is I pop just a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Fever palette, and I just use this shade right here. And then I'm using the Rimmel Soft Kohl eyeliner pencil, this one right here, and I'm just going to line my lower waterline again, just to, brighten up my face, make me look a little less zombie-ish. So next I'm using this mascara, the Makeup Revolution from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to use this on my lashes. I'm not going to be putting any falsies on because ain't got time. And then what I also do is I take my Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer, and then I just use this all over my face. Now we are on to lips, so make sure your lips are moisturized. And then I'm just using MAC Chestnut lip pencil just to line my lips. And then I'm using NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap, and this is just like a nudish nude color, and I'm just gonna pop this on my lips. Sometimes if I want to, you know, just make it pop that little bit more, I do add just a little bit of a bronzer, and I'm trying to look for a brush to put that on with. So okay, I found one. So I'm going to use the fan brush, and what I do is I literally just a little bit, guys. A little goes a long way. And I think I forgot to show you which product that this is. This is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. This one right here. Okay, this is it, guys. And to finish off, I just sprayed the same fixing spray that I used in the beginning, which is the Max Prep Plus Prime. And I just spray this all over just to, you know, finish off the look. And that's it. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.